Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make a soft vermicile sponge cake. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 150 grams of vermicile, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 cup of milk, which is approximately to 250 milliliter, a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, some raisins, 1 glass of sugar, 7 eggs, which is approximately to 1 glass, and lastly 1 glass of self-rising flour. Place a pot on a low-medium heat and add about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and let the oil to heat up a bit. Once the oil is hot, add the vermicile and cook them till golden brown. Once the vermicelles start turning color, you're going to add a bit of cardamom powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar and some raisins and give a quick mix. Followed by 1 cup of milk, which is approximately to 250 milliliter, and mix well and let the vermicelles to cook till well cooked and the milk is completely dry. Once the milk is completely dry and the vermicelles are well cooked, then your vermicelles are ready and remove them from the fire and serve on a plate. And our vermicelles are ready, as you can see in the video. Then the next step, you're going to make our sponge cake. In a medium large bowl, start by adding 7 eggs, which is approximately to 1 glass, followed by 1 glass of sugar, and take your hand mixer and mix for approximately 10 minutes. While you're mixing, you're going to add a bit of cardamom powder and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and continue mixing. After 10 minutes, your mixture of eggs has to rise like this. Lastly, you're going to add 1 glass of self-rising flour. This is a flour that contains baking powder already, but if you don't have this flour, you can use wheat flour and add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add slowly by slowly while mixing till everything is well combined. Our batter is ready, then it's high time to combine the vermicile and the batter. Afterwards, take a baking pan and place a baking sheet at the bottom so that the sponge cake doesn't stick at the bottom. Then add a bit of the batter and spread it around the baking pan. Then add the cooked vermicile and then the batter until you're done with everything, as you can see in the video step by step. If you like to add some raisins, you can add some, but if you don't like, that's up to you. Once you've added everything, shake the pot a bit so that the air bubbles can come out, as you can see in the video. Afterwards, bake the sponge cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes till well baked. After 45 minutes, our sponge cake is ready, as you can see in the video. Let it cool down completely before removing it from the baking pan. Our vermicile cake has completely cooled down. I'm going to cut it into two so you can be able to see the inside of the sponge cake. And my vermicile sponge cake is ready, as you can see in the video. Look how soft the cake look, and serve along with a cup of tea or coffee and enjoy your sponge cake. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.